everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today we install our complete dash panel for a Mercedes S-Class, and we add front camera, and the customer asked to add high definition backup camera too. Basically the unit retains the factory camera. You can see the factory camera is there, and we installed aftermarket camera too, so you can switch back and forth between these two. Okay, so we install our complete dash panel. Basically the cluster is the factory cluster, and the other side you get the 12.3 inch Android screen, and you can see on the top the matching color with the interior color. At the very beginning we had one video. At that time that was just a prototype unit, and it was just black piece of plastic, but right now we have the matching colors. You can see how it matches the color of the interior. So again, we go back to the screen. By pushing that arrow at the bottom, you can reach to the options that basically right now it's missing that part. You can control it with the touch screen. And for this car, the customer asked us to add reverse camera. It comes with original camera, but he asked to add reverse camera because the resolution was not that great. By going to reverse, it shifts to backup camera with dynamic guideline, and by going to drive, it switches to front camera. So you have this option. You can add it to your vehicle front camera and back camera. Also, you can switch to the original camera if you want. That's another option too. We can hide that extra option, and we can go to the Apple CarPlay. You can use the factory command knob that I'm using right now, or you can use the touch screen, whichever you feel more comfortable about it. And again, our unit retains the factory command system too, so I can go back to the command system, and you can go to radio and whatever you used to use it. And that's a new design for basically on the side that completes the 12.3 inch screen. So technically you can use the factory function, and you can switch back to the aftermarket mode. There is a spot on the top that you can add SIM card for data. Then you can install any apps that you like on the unit from the Play Store. Also, you have one extra button here if you don't want to go to reverse and go to the front. If you want to have fast access to the front camera, by pushing that front camera app, you have access to the front camera. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4Shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.